Here we have a scatter graph of shoe size against height. We can see the point slope, bottom left to top right. If we draw on a line of best fit, we can see that the points don't fit that closely to the line. We'd just call this a positive correlation. Now if we consider this graph for miles per litre against shoe size and draw on a line of best fit, we can see here that the points are very tightly grouped around the line of best fit. In this case, we would say that this is strong negative correlation. So if the points fit very tightly around the line of best fit, introduce the word strong. So we can have a strong positive correlation or a strong negative correlation.